In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best exercise bikes. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best exercise bikes. Number 5. Schwinn IC4. The Schwinn IC4 indoor cycling bike delivers a versatile and connected workout experience for riders who want quality performance without the premium price tag. With whisper-quiet magnetic resistance and smooth ride dynamics, it pairs easily with your favorite fitness apps like Peloton, Zwift, and more, letting you stream workouts on your own screen. Its comfortable, fully adjustable seat and handlebars ensure a personalized fit for every rider, while sturdy construction means it can handle daily training sessions. If you want a bike that's flexible, reliable, and built for real progress, this is a fantastic choice for home gyms. Number 4. Echelon Connect EX5S. The Echelon Connect EX5 C-High-Tech Smart Bike brings studio-style cycling to your home at a more affordable price than many premium competitors. Featuring an HD rotating screen and magnetic resistance that's smooth and quiet, this bike syncs with the Echelon Fit app to deliver access to live classes, on-demand workouts, and community challenges. Adjustable seating and ergonomic design make longer sessions comfortable, and the engaging training content keeps motivation high. Whether you're chasing cardio goals or competing with friends, the EX5s offers great value and connected fitness features that make every ride fun and effective. Number 3. Concept2 BikeErg. The Concept2 BikeErg is where performance and data-driven training meet simplicity and reliability. Loved by athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike, its smooth air resistance responds naturally to your effort, and the PM5 performance monitor provides accurate real-time metrics without requiring subscription fees. There's no unnecessary tech, just a durable, performance-focused bike that lets you track power, pace, and progress over time. Whether you're doing structured intervals or long endurance rides, the BikeErg delivers consistent resistance and dependable quality. If your priority is solid performance and measurable results, this is an outstanding choice. Number 2. Peloton Cross Training Bike Plus. The Peloton Cross Training Bike Plus is a next-generation connected fitness machine that blends immersive cycling with holistic cross-training. Featuring a swiveling HD touchscreen and powered by Peloton IQ's intelligent guidance, this bike lets you transition smoothly between cardio, strength, yoga, Pilates, and more, all in one place. With advanced movement tracking, rich sound, and personalized workout insights, every session feels dynamic and motivating. If you want a premium all-in-one bike that keeps workouts exciting and goal-oriented, the Cross Training Bike Plus delivers studio-quality classes and smart performance features that help you stay consistent and engaged. Number 1. NordicTrack X24. The NordicTrack X24 tops our list as the best overall exercise bike thanks to its premium blend of performance, immersion, and cutting-edge features. Its large 24-inch HD touchscreen and iFit integration bring interactive, trainer-led workouts and global scenic rides right into your home. Automatic incline and decline adjustments simulate real terrain, while smooth magnetic resistance ensures quiet yet challenging workouts. With thousands of fresh workouts and adaptive training styles, this bike keeps you engaged day after day. If you want a studio-grade cycling experience with advanced tech that motivates and inspires, the X24 delivers excellence every ride. And there you have it, the top 5 best exercise bikes designed to keep you motivated, challenged, and on track toward your fitness goals. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video.